Today we're going to continue with our practice of rounding. Our example today says Jackie is thinking of a number that rounds to 60. What are all the possibilities for Jackie's number? So I know that it's not giving me a number to round, it's telling me that my answer, the number that's rounded, is going to equal 60. So I have to have something that equals 60. So I'm thinking about the number 60 and which numbers are closer to 60 on a number line. So if I have a number line, I'm going to put 60 right here. I'm going to put 50 over here. And then 50, 60, I'm going to put 70 over here. So I'm thinking about what numbers are going to be close to 60. It looks like I'm going to be rounding to the tens place because if I round to hundreds, it's either going to be 0 or 100. So 60, there's not going to be anything rounded to 100. So I'm thinking about tens. Jackie's number could be less than 60. Could be kind of around here, or it could be greater than 60. I know that if I had 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, I know that all of these numbers, so let me see, I'm going to put, so 56, 57, 58, 59, I know that all of those numbers are going to round to 60. I also know that if I'm thinking about numbers that are greater than 60, I would have 61, 62, 63, 64. All of those, 61, 62, 63, 64, all of those are going to also round to 60. Anything more than that, like 65, would round to 70. When I think about 55, I didn't write 55. 55 would be right here. When I think about 55, I know that that would be halfway in between 50 and 60. And anytime it's halfway, it's going to go to the higher number of 60. So I know that 55 would also round to 60. So same thing with 65. So 61, 2, 3, 4, 65 would be right here. And since that's halfway between, that would round up to 70. So 65 would not round to 60, it would round to 70. So right here, all the possibilities for Jackie's number that will round to 60 are 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. Those are the numbers that are lower that are going to round to 60. And then the numbers that are greater are 61, 62, 63, and 64. So those are all of my possible answers of numbers that would round to 60.